Hello everyone, this is Neelam Tyagi and today I am going to perform an activity related to perimeter and area. It is the chapter 14 of class 7 and in this activity we find the area of a circle. So let's start our activity. Firstly, we draw a circle of any radius and I am taking the radius of circle 6 centimeter. So firstly I draw the circle of 6 centimeter radius. You can take any radius of circle using a compass like this. Now cut the circle using a scissor. So I cut the circle like this using a scissor. Now I draw diameter of a circle like this. Means I have divided the circle into two equal parts. Now again I draw a diameter of a circle and the circle is divided into four equal parts. Now again I draw a diameter and circle is divided into 6 parts. Now again I draw diameter and circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Now again I draw diameter and circle is divided into 10 parts. And similarly we divide the circle into 16 equal parts. So we divided the circle into 16 equal parts and now we color these parts. I color one part by black and other part by brown. So one part is colored by black, other is brown, and similarly next part is colored by black and other is brown, like this. Black and this part is brown. This part is brown and next part is again black. Again is brown and similarly we colored the whole circle. Now we cut all the parts using a scissor like this. These all 16 parts are separated to each other using a scissor. Like this. Now we paste all these small parts on a A4 size sheet like this. And I paste one part of black color and one part of brown color. like this. One part is black and other part is brown, like this. All these parts like this, and it looks like roughly a rectangle. So we have to find the area of rectangle, and area of rectangle is L into B. So firstly we have to find the length of the rectangle. So length of rectangle is equals to half of the circumference, because these side is equal to the half of the circumference and these are also is the half of the circumference. So length of rectangle is equals to 1/2 into circumference, and formula of circumference is 2 pi r. So length of rectangle is 1/2 into 2 pi r. 2 is cancelled by 2 and that is pi r. Now breadth of rectangle is equal to radius of the circle, because this line is equal to the radius of the circle. So I write breadth of rectangle is equals to r. Now area of rectangle is equals to L into B. L multiply by B. L is equals to pi r and B is equals to r, and multiply of pi r and r is pi r square. That means area of circle is equals to pi r square, because this area is equal to the circle, because this rectangle is obtained by cutting the circle. So area of rectangle is equals to area of circle. So we can say that area of circle is equals to pi r square, and that is the formula of area of circle, where value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14.